Hello bachcho, let's read this question. So the question says 2 grams of an impure mixture of MgCO3 was dissolved in 50 ml of 0.8 molar HCl. The excess of acid required 20 ml of 0.2 molar NaOH for complete neutralization. So the percentage of MgCO3 in the sample will be, and we have 4 options over here. So the key concept over here is concept of chemical equivalence. Chemical equivalence. ऑलराइट, सो यहाँ पर फर्स्टली क्या हो रहा है, एक सैंपल था जिसमें कि मैग्नीशियम कार्बोनेट प्रेजेंट था. सो फर्स्ट वी एडेड some HCl, alright, and then it reacts with HCl to form MgCl2 plus H2O plus CO2, alright. और इसमें से जो रिमेनिंग HCl है, remaining HCl, that reacts with NaOH solution to give NaCl and H2O. नाउ ये जो NaOH सोल्यूशन है, इसकी हमें मोलैरिटी एंड वॉल्यूम दी गई है, दैट इज 0.2 मोलर एंड इन 20 ml. और जो टोटल HCl था, टोटल वॉल्यूम ऑफ HCl solution, that was 50 ml and concentration of HCl is equal to 0.8 molar. ये हमारे पास पहले से ही प्रेजेंट है. So we have to calculate the amount of MgCO3 present in that sample, and the weight of the sample is 2 grams. Alright, so first let us calculate the number of equivalents of HCl in the remaining solution. So remaining solution, and इसमें HCl की reaction हो रही है NaOH के साथ. So number of equivalents of HCl is equal to number of equivalents of NaOH, alright, and this is equal to number of equivalents of NaOH is equal to n factor of NaOH multiplied by number of moles, and यहाँ पर मोलैरिटी एंड वॉल्यूम दी गई है. सो नंबर ऑफ मोल्स के बदले हम पुट कर सकते हैं मोलैरिटी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय वॉल्यूम, मोलैरिटी multiplied by volume. So NF for NaOH is equal to 1 multiplied by molarity is 0.2 moles per liter, 0.2 moles per liter or mole liter inverse, multiplied by volume जो है that is given in milliliters. So this is 20 ml, and अगर हम उसको liters में convert करें then this will be equal to 0.02 liters, and then this value will be equal to 0.004 equivalents. So number of equivalents of HCl left. Alright, now let us calculate number of equivalents of HCl present initially. Number of equivalents of HCl present initially, that is equal to n factor multiplied by number of moles. Alright, and again number of moles के बदले हम molarity and volume put कर सकते हैं. So NF multiplied by molarity multiplied by volume, and volume should be in liters. So HCl के लिए जो n factor है वो 1 है, because HCl एक monobasic acid है. So 1 multiplied by molarity, molarity है 0.8 molar, 0.8 molar or 0.8 moles per liter, we can write mole liter inverse multiplied by volume. Volume है 50 ml, और 50 ml को अगर हम liters में convert करें then this will be 0.05 liters, and then the number of equivalents of HCl will be equal to 0.04 equivalents. All right, and then we can calculate the number of equivalents of HCl reacted with MgCO3 is equal to number of equivalents present initially, that is 0.04, minus number of equivalents consumed by NaOH, that is the number of equivalents of HCl left, that is 0.004, and this is equal to 0.036. So जो MgCO3 था उसके साथ 0.036 equivalents of HCl react किया है. Now we can calculate the amount of MgCO3 by the equivalence relation. So the equivalence relation is number of equivalents of MgCO3 is equal to number of equivalents of HCl, जो कि हम अभी calculate किए. This is equal to 0.036. 0.036. So number of equivalents. So number of equivalents के बदले हम put कर सकते हैं NF multiplied by number of moles. So number of moles of MgCO3 multiplied by N factor is equal to 0.036. So MgCO3 के लिए N factor 1 है because MgCO3 में मेटल के ऊपर +2 चार्ज है, और इसके लिए जो N factor होता है that is the total charge on metal ion. All right, so N factor की वैल्यू यहाँ पर 2 है. So number of moles of MgCO3 is equal to 0.036 divided by 2, and that is equal to 0.018. So we can get the amount of MgCO3. Amount of MgCO3 is number of moles multiplied by molar mass, and number of moles is 0.018 multiplied by the molar mass is 84 grams per mole, and then this is equal to 1.512 grams, and the percentage of MgCO3 is equal to amount of MgCO3, that is 1.512 grams, divided by total mass of sample, and total mass of sample given tha 2 grams. So 1.512 divided by 2 multiplied by 100, and this value is equal to 75.6%. Right? So the percentage of MgCO3 is 75.6%, which is correctly given in option number C. So our final answer is option number C. This is the required solution, and I hope you understood the concept well. All the best.